Your city is a machine, and to keep it running, you need the right tools. But in a world of concrete and crowds, the wrong tool can get you in trouble. An EDC knife isn't about looking tough. It's about being prepared, capable, and discreet. It's the silent partner that opens your deliveries, cuts a snag strap, and becomes your last line of defense when the world gets unpredictable. Forget bulky survival blades. The urban jungle demands something smarter, sleeker, and legally savvy. Today, we're navigating the crowded streets of the knife world to bring you the top 10 best EDC knives for urban areas in 2026. We're counting down the blades. Number 10. CRKT CEO Flipper. Securing the 10th spot is the CRKT CEO Flipper, a masterclass in sophisticated urban camouflage. This knife redefines the concept of discretion by borrowing its aesthetic not from tactical gear, but from the world of fine writing instruments and executive accessories. Its elongated, slender profile is devoid of aggressive angles or pronounced thumb studs, allowing it to rest in a dress shirt pocket or the watch pocket of your jeans with complete invisibility. The deployment mechanism is a study in quiet efficiency. A subtle flipper tab, when engaged, propels the blade open on smooth bearings with a muted, refined click rather than an authoritative snap, making its operation as unobtrusive as its appearance. The blade itself, typically a sleek clip point or modified tanto, is crafted from reliable steel like HCR 13 MOV or D2, offering more than enough edge retention for the urbanite's daily cutting curriculum. Opening correspondence, trimming a loose thread, breaking down cardboard for recycling, or slicing an apple during a lunch break. The handle materials, ranging from brushed aluminum to rich micarta or G10, feel substantial and premium in hand, reinforcing the tool's identity as a considered accessory for the professional. The CRKT CEO is for the individual who understands that in many social and professional environments, the most powerful tool is the one that integrates seamlessly, projecting competence and style without ever provoking unnecessary attention or concern. Number 9. Civivi Elementum. The Civivi Elementum has achieved near-mythical status in the EDC community not through flashy gimmicks, but by embodying a philosophy of quiet, relentless competence. It represents the pinnacle of the no-nonsense folder, a tool designed to perform its core function with such grace and reliability that it becomes an extension of a user's will. Its foundation is a perfectly executed drop-point blade, a shape celebrated for its versatile utility in slicing, piercing, and controlled cutting. This blade rides on a set of smooth, multi-row ball bearings, enabling deployment that is both satisfyingly flickable and effortlessly smooth, whether using the flipper tab or the optional thumb studs. The handle, contoured from G10, micarta, or wood, fits a remarkably wide range of hand sizes comfortably, providing a secure grip without being bulky. The Elementum rejects the overtly tactical in favor of clean lines and balanced proportions, making a knife that feels as appropriate in a workshop as it does in a boardroom, when used discreetly. It is the quintessential first real knife for a newcomer due to its intuitive design and outstanding value, and simultaneously a trusted, always knife for the seasoned enthusiast who appreciates a return to fundamentals. It proves that supreme capability doesn't need to shout. It can simply work perfectly and silently, day after day. Number 8. Spyderco, Chicago. Navigating the complex and often restrictive legal landscape of metropolitan areas requires a specialized tool, and the Spyderco Chicago is engineered from the ground up for this exact challenge. It is a knife born from legal parameters, designed to comply with some of the strictest blade length ordinances in the United States, typically featuring a cutting edge under 2 inches. This deliberate constraint is its greatest strength for the urban dweller, transforming the knife from a potential legal liability into a tool of unequivocal compliance and peace of mind. Despite its compact dimensions, it is a full-fledged Spyderco, incorporating the brand's iconic round thumb hole for easy, one-handed opening and a robust lockback mechanism that inspires confidence. The ergonomics are surprisingly effective, with a handle that allows for a full, secure 3-finger grip for precise control. Number 7. Benchmade Bugout. When the philosophy of ounces equal pounds meets cutting-edge cutlery engineering, the result is the Benchmade Bugout, a knife that redefined expectations for strength-to-weight ratio in the EDC world. Its entire existence is a pursuit of ethereal carry, utilizing advanced polymers and strategic skeletonization to achieve a weight so negligible you will physically check your pocket to confirm it's still there. This is not a compromise. However, it is an optimization. The handle scales, originally in Civivi and now available in myriad materials including carbon fiber and aluminum, are mounted on a full, precision-machined stainless steel chassis that houses the legendary Benchmade axis lock. This ambidextrous locking mechanism is renowned for its strength, safety, and addictive fidget-friendly action, allowing for silky smooth, one-handed operation. The blade, typically in premium CPM S30V steel, is ground thin and slice-oriented, making it a superstar for everyday tasks. The Bugout is the ultimate companion for the active urbanite, the runner, the cyclist, the traveler, or the professional who simply refuses to be weighed down. It proves that a tool can be disarmingly light without sacrificing an iota of the robustness, reliability, and cutting performance demanded of a primary carry knife, making readiness feel effortless. Number 6. QuietCarry Waypoint. For the urban operator in coastal cities, humid climates, or for anyone whose lifestyle involves constant exposure to the elements, standard knife steels are a ticking clock of corrosion. The QuietCarry Waypoint is the definitive answer to this problem, engineered as a monument to maintenance-free durability. It is constructed using Vanac Super Clean, a premium super steel whose primary characteristic is phenomenal corrosion resistance, rivaling even high-end stainless alloys in its ability to withstand saltwater, sweat, and humidity without a hint of rust or staining. This blade steel is paired with handles machined from titanium or other inert materials, creating a package that is essentially impervious to environmental decay. Beyond its molecular superiority, the Waypoint is a masterpiece of sleek, functional design. Its blade shape is optimized for clean push cutting, and its overall silhouette is streamlined and handsome, avoiding tactical aggression in favor of refined utility. This knife is for the commuter who faces all weather, the sailor, the chef, or the engineer who works in demanding environments and requires a tool that will perform flawlessly with zero babysitting. It represents the pinnacle of set-it-and-forget-it reliability, a buy-it-for-life instrument that delivers elite performance on a foundation of absolute environmental indifference. Number 5. Kizer Drop Bear. In the realm of EDC, tactile satisfaction has become a legitimate metric of quality, and the Kizer Drop Bear has mastered this art form. Its centerpiece is the innovative clutch lock, Kizer's refined take on the crossbar locking mechanism. This lock offers a uniquely smooth, fluid, and almost magnetic action. Deploying and retracting the blade is an experience characterized by a seamless glide and a soft, satisfying click into place. This mechanical delight transforms the knife from a passive tool into an interactive object of enjoyment, making it a constant companion for the hands that appreciate fine mechanics. However, the Drop Bear is far more than a fidget toy. It is a seriously capable cutting instrument built on a robust chassis, with a useful blade shape and an ergonomic aluminum handle that provides a solid, confident grip. It successfully bridges the gap between a fun, engaging gadget and a dependable daily use tool. This knife caters to the modern user who finds calm and focus in the repetitive, satisfying motion of a well-made mechanism, proving that user experience, the joy of interaction, is just as critical as cutting performance in a tool you handle dozens of times a day. Number 4. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. The Spyderco Paramilitary 2 is not merely a popular knife. It is an institution, a benchmark against which other hard-use folding knives are measured. Its legendary status is earned through a relentless focus on cutting performance. The blade is ground exceptionally thin and flat, creating a geometry that slides through materials with astonishing ease, reducing effort and fatigue. A critical advantage when breaking down a mountain of cardboard or processing camp food. This cutting prowess is paired with Spyderco's compression lock, a mechanism that is incredibly strong, allows for safe and easy one-handed closing, and keeps your fingers entirely out of the blade's path. The textured G10 handle is famously ergonomic, locking the knife into your hand for secure control during demanding tasks. While its footprint in the pocket is more substantial than smaller options, it trades a slight bulk for a vast increase in capability and control. The Paramilitary 2 is the tool for the user who encounters variable and often demanding cutting chores, from household projects and yard work to weekend adventures. It is the definitive choice when the primary criteria are unwavering cutting efficiency, absolute control, and proven, battle-tested reliability in a folding format. Number 3. Benchmade 535BK. 4. This variant of the Bugout represents the evolution of a concept, addressing the one critique of the original, perceived handle flex, by transforming it into a monolithic pillar of solidity. By replacing the lightweight polymer scales with precision-machined aluminum, this iteration adds a minimal amount of weight while bestowing a profound sense of ruggedness and permanence. The knife loses its slight flex and gains a confident, heirloom-quality feel in the hand, with the aluminum offering a pleasing, solid coolness to the touch. This upgrade is often coupled with an even more premium blade steel, such as CPM M390 or CPM S90V, which provide exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance. The result is a Bugout that retains all its original virtues: the sublime axis lock action, the slice-optimized blade, the incredibly carryable profile, but now wrapped in a package that feels like a permanent, unbreakable tool. It is the ultimate expression of the platform for the enthusiast who desires the Bugout's iconic design language, but demands the absolute pinnacle of material quality and in-hand solidity, creating a perfect synthesis of lightweight design and heavyweight construction. Number 2. Protech Godson. Operating in a realm where speed, discretion, and reliability converge, the Protech Godson represents the pinnacle of American automatic knife craftsmanship. It is a tool of refined, instant response. With a press of the milled button, the blade fires out with authoritative, hushed thwack, locking instantly into place with zero blade play, a mechanism built to incredible tolerances for flawless operation every single time. Its design is notably clean and subdued for an automatic. When closed, it presents a smooth, uninterrupted profile free of flipper tabs or thumb studs, making it look more like a sophisticated gadget than a tactical instrument. This subtlety is key to its urban appeal. The fit and finish are exemplary, with handles often in textured aluminum or other premium materials, feeling like a precision instrument. It is of paramount importance to state that ownership and carry of automatic knives are heavily regulated and illegal in many jurisdictions. The onus is entirely on the purchaser to know, understand, and strictly comply with all federal, state, and local laws. For individuals in areas where legal, the Godson offers an unparalleled combination of rapid, one-handed deployment, silent operation, and jewel-like build quality for situations where preparedness demands immediacy. Number 1. Knife Banter. Claiming the number 1 spot as the ultimate Urban EDC knife for 2026 is the Knife Banter, a triumph of community-driven design and flawless execution. Its rise to the top is not based on a single overpowering feature, but on its achievement of a near-perfect holistic balance that resonates with a vast majority of users. Designed in close collaboration with prominent knife reviewer Benny Peterson, the Banter was refined through endless cycles of public feedback, resulting in a tool that feels intuitively right. Its proportions are masterful, a blade length that is universally useful yet remains within common legal limits, a handle contour that comfortably accommodates small, medium, and large hands alike, and an overall size that carries deep and discreetly in the pocket without sacrificing grip. The action, via thumb studs on ceramic ball bearings, is snappy, smooth, and supremely satisfying. The blade, a versatile drop point, is ground thin to excel at the slice-oriented tasks that define urban life. The handle materials, from grippy G10 to warm micarta, offer premium feel. The Banter excels because it eliminates extremes. It is neither too small nor too large, too tactical nor too dressy, too expensive nor cheaply made. It embodies the Goldilocks zone of EDC, capable yet friendly, premium yet accessible, discreet yet joyful to use. For successfully capturing the essence of what a modern daily carry cutting tool should be for the greatest number of people, the WE Knife Banter stands as the new people's champion of the urban landscape.